This month, learn what the International Air Traffic Association had to say about their numbers in 2017 and what their projections are for the aerospace market in 2018. We will cover this and more in this month's Market Minute. According to the IATA, freight traffic increased by 9.3% and passenger traffic increased by 7.5% in 2017. Both of these growth rates were more than twice as fast as worldwide GDP. According to the IMF, 2018 and 2019 worldwide GDP growth are expected to be 3.9%. And because of this, we expect that in the aerospace market, we'll see demand on both freight and passenger sides of high single-digit growth. Growth in e-commerce worldwide will play a very significant role in the coming years. According to Statista, worldwide e-commerce growth in 2018 will be over 23%, and as far out as 2021, Statista projects growth of 18%. Well, according to the IATA, some of the fastest regions of the world that will experience air traffic growth will be Asia and Africa. By no means is the US expected to be sluggish at all. In fact, last year, there were 965 million scheduled passenger miles traveled, up 3.4% from the previous 2016 record. Passenger growth in the 5 years ending with 2017 reported total growth of 19%. There are some risk factors to our aerospace outlook. The two biggest are simply trade and tariff protections. To learn more about the aerospace market, we would encourage you to visit our website at www.gardnerintelligence.com. There you can get more information on the aerospace industry along with machine tool technologies.